Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least...
Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living, and today I'm going to be making a little meal for myself, and it's just a basic good sandwich, and I'm going to be using these large hamburger buns. Marie just got home from a wedding shower just a few minutes ago, and she has already ate while she was gone. So I'm just going to be making me a sandwich, and I'm going to start by using some mayonnaise, and I'm going to I like a pretty good bit of mayonnaise, so I'll put a thick coat of mayonnaise on my bread. And I'm using the Blue Plate mayonnaise. I have used the Dukes before. We like the Dukes, but we actually like Blue Plate better. Okay. So there's my mayonnaise. I'm going to start with one slice of cheese here on the bottom. Next, I'm going to go with some turkey. This is the Oscar Mayer oven roasted turkey breast. And I'm going to put about 3 slices on here. And next I'm going to put this is the Great Value Black Forest ham. Put some of that on there. About 3 slices of that. And then last I'm going to put, this is the Hillshire Farm roast beef. And I'll put about 3 slices of it on there. These are real thin slices, so if you was using something thicker, you wouldn't have to put as many slices on. Okay, next I'm going to put some mustard on mine. Okay, now I'm going to put some salt and pepper. Actually, let me put my tomato up there first. This is a good tomato that was grown in the garden across the street from me. And when we brought it over here, it wasn't quite ripe, but I let it sit on the counter till it got real good and ripe. And when I sliced it, it really smells good. Okay, now I'm going to put some salt and pepper. And next I'm going to put just a little bit of this. This is Wishbone Italian seasoning, dressing. And I'm going to put a little bit right here. Okay, next I'm going to put some of these. This is the Mount Olive brand. These are mild banana pepper rings. And Marie and I both, we just love these. So let me put a few of these on top. Okay, that'll be enough of those. And last thing I put on will be some lettuce. And then just a little more of this Italian dressing on top of this. Okay, so there's my sandwich. Okay, now I'm going to cut the sandwich in half. And there's my sandwich. That good ripe tomato looks good on it. Put this over here in my plate. Get my workstation cleaned off just a little bit. And I'm going to put me a few chips on here to go with it. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, so there you have it. That's just a good quick sandwich that I'm going to enjoy for this evening's meal. And I've made these before, so I know it's going to be great. Hope y'all enjoyed watching me make this sandwich and hope it gives you some good ideas. Y'all have a great day, and we will see you on our next video.